children. Good morning. Welcome to Elgo online class. Okay. Yeah, children. Today we are going to cover Elga 4, day 9 of unit 4. Okay. Today we are going to cover Elga 4, day 9 of unit 4. Okay. Yeah, children, in today's topic, holiday in Sri Lanka. Holiday in Sri Lanka. Okay. Yeah, children. Now, in ELGA, there are 5 components. Okay, what is the meaning of ELGA? ELGA means English language and general awareness. Okay, in ELGA, there are 5 components. Yeah, children, listen. Yeah, in the first one, phonics. Okay, yeah, children, now let us learn blends. Tra and gra blends. Today, we will learn about tra and gra blends. Okay, yeah, children, now I will read the words for you. Okay, first we will read the tra sounds. Okay, yeah, children, listen. Tra, tree, tra, tree, tra, train, tra, train. The next word is tra, traffic, tra, traffic, tra, trunk, tra, trunk. Next. Now let us learn the gra blend. Okay. Gra, grass. Gra, grass. Next. Gra, green. Gra, green. Gra, group. Gra, group. Next. Gra, grapes. Gra, grapes. Okay, yeah, children, now we will do one activity. Now we will do one activity. Okay, yeah, children, are you ready for this activity? Okay, yeah, students, listen my instruction carefully. Okay, yeah, children, when I say tra sound, when I say tra sound, yeah, children, you take your hands, keep on the head. Okay, you touch the head. Okay, yeah, children, when I say gra sound, when I say gra sound words, yeah, children, you touch your chin. Okay, once again, yeah, children, when I say tra sound words, yeah, children, you touch on your head. Next, yeah, children, when I say gra sound, yeah, children, you touch your chin. You touch your chin. Okay. Now, the activity start. Grapes. Grapes. This is gra sound. Grapes. Touch your chin. Next. Traffic. Traffic. Very good. Traffic. The next word is tree. Tree. Once again. Next. The another word is green. Green. Next. Train. Train. Very good. Next. Group. Group. Very good. Very good, children. Super. Very good. Okay, yeah, children, now look at the slide. Now let us learn the tra and gra sound. Tra and gra sound. Okay, yeah, children, listen. The first one word is tra, tree. Tra, tree. Yeah, children, please repeat after with me. Tra, tree. Tra, tree. The next word is tra, train. Tra, train. The another word is tra, traffic. Tra, traffic. The next word is tra, trunk. Tra, trunk. Next. Now let us learn the gra sounds. Okay. Gra, grass. Gra, grass. Next word is gra, green. Gra, green. Very good. Next. My next word is gr, group. Gr, group. Gr, group. The next sound is gr, grapes. Gr, grapes. Okay, yeah, children, now listen to me. What is this? Yeah, children, look at the picture. What is this? This is train. Very good. This is train. Tr sound word. Train. Okay. Very good. Yeah, children. This runs on tracks laid on fixed routes. Okay. Between cities and towns. Train is the only land vehicle that can carry thousands of passengers at a time. Okay. Yeah, children. This is train. Okay. Next. Elephant. What is this? Elephant. Yeah, elephant has strong trunk. Okay, yeah, children, this is called trunk. Okay, very good. Next, gr, green. What is the color of this bag? Green. Okay, yeah, children, listen. What is this? Green. Okay, the next word is, okay, very good. Next, what is this? Grapes. What is this? Grapes. Okay. Very good. Okay, children. Now, in our phonics section, over. Now, let us learn the whole word section. Okay, children. Now, look at the slide. Whole words. Practice reading these words at your home. Okay. Listen next. Practice words from previous levels. The first whole word is, yeah, children, get ready? Okay. The first whole word is wants. Wants. Yeah, children, first I will read the word. Yeah, children, please repeat after with me. The first whole word is wants. The next whole word is then. Say all of you. Then. My next whole word is no. The next whole word is no. The next one whole word is will. Will. Next, the last whole word is these. First row, last word is these. Okay, next, second row. How. How. The another word is there. There. The next word is see. See. The another word is next. Next. The last whole word is get. Get. Next. Third row. The first word is where. Where. The next whole word is when. When. The another whole word is around. Around. The next word is they. They. The another word is take. Take. Okay, very good children. Awesome. Next, new words. Now let us learn the new words. The first whole word is every. Children, please open your mouth. Every. The next word is himself. Himself. The another word is across. Say all of you. Across. The next word is again. Again. The last word is which. First row, the last word is which. Okay. Next, second row. Cannot. cannot. The next word is decide. Decide. The another word is reach. Reach. The next word is ready. Ready. The another word is happen. Happen. Okay. Next, third row. Listen. Lived. Lived. The next word is side. Side. The next word is received. Received. The another word is meet. Meet. The last word is once. Once. Next. My next whole word is time. Time. My next word is sticky. Sticky. My another word is greet. Greet. My next word is return. Return. My another whole word is filled. Filled. Very good, children. Yeah, children. Yeah, this is your homework. Okay. Practice reading these words at home. Okay. Yeah, children. This is your homework. Okay. Yeah, students. Now I will give the time for 10 seconds. Okay. Now, yeah, children, take your English note. Open the first page and write the today's date. Okay, take the new page, write the today's date. Yeah, children, I want to write the whole words one time. Okay, yeah, children, now new words, write the new whole words only. Okay, yeah, children, now I will give the time for 15 seconds. Okay, 15 seconds. Yeah, children, your time start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, yeah, children, your time over. Yeah, children, now let us learn the reading and listening comprehension. Okay. Yeah, children, in our reading and listening comprehension, now we will read the story. Holiday in Sri Lanka. Holiday in Sri Lanka. Okay, yeah, children, listen. The author is Shakshi Bhatia. Illustration by Kriti Penha. Okay, yeah, children, now all of you take your student reader. Okay, take your Elga reader book. Take soon, children. Unit 4. Page number 82. Page number 82. Yeah, children, take soon. Holiday in Sri Lanka. Take your Elga reader book, page number 82. Yeah, children, now I will give the time for 5 seconds. Take your book. Open the page number 82. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, children, I hope you all open your Elga reader book, page number 82. Very good, children. Awesome. Holiday in Sri Lanka. Okay. Author is Shakshi Bhatia. Illustrations by Kriti Penha. Okay. Yeah, children, now I will read the story. Yeah, children, you listen carefully. Okay. Yeah, after that, you will read independently. Okay. Without any help. Okay, without your parent help. Okay, now listen carefully. Tia and Priya decide to go to Colombo. Listen carefully. Yeah, in the story, there are two characters. How many characters? Two characters. Okay, who are they? Tia and Priya. Tia and Priya. Okay, the two characters decide to go to Colombo. Okay, yeah, children, Colombo is capital of Sri Lanka. Okay, Sri Lanka is our neighboring country. Sri Lanka is our neighboring country. Sri Lanka, China, Bhutan are our neighboring country. Which is our country? Yeah, India is our country. Okay, yeah, children listen now. Tia and Priya decide to go to Colombo. Next, did you know? Did you know? Lions Rock. Say all of you, look at the picture. This is called Lions Rock. Okay. Yeah, children, listen. Lions Rock is a giant animal covered from stone. Once again, Lions Rock is a giant animal covered from stone. Okay, it was created to greet the visitors at the entrance. It was it was created to greet the visitors at the entrance. People from different parts of the world travel to see this rock. Okay. Next, yeah, children, look at the picture. There are tall buildings. Okay, yeah, it is very beautiful, amazing. Okay, wow, very nice. Yeah, children, listen. This is Colombo. Okay, yeah, children, this city name is Colombo. Okay, yeah, Colombo is the capital of Sri Lanka. Colombo is the capital of Sri Lanka. Okay, next, children. They reach They reach Sri Lanka and people welcome them. Once again, they reach Sri Lanka and people welcome them. They say, Kohomade. Say all of you, Kohomade. Yeah, children, this is a one greet, welcome word. Okay. They reach Sri Lanka and people welcome them. They say, Kohomade. Okay, very good. Next. Tia and Priya are excited. Tia and Priya are excited. Excited means to thrilling. Okay. Yeah, children, listen. Tia and Priya are excited to go to the beach. To go to the beach. Okay. Next, yeah, children, look at the picture. Yeah, children, this is a beach. This is a beach. Okay, yeah, children, some children are playing with kites. Okay, the blue sea is very nice. Okay, yeah, children, listen. Sri Lanka has many beautiful beaches. Okay, young children, not one beach. Okay, Sri Lanka has many beaches. Sri Lanka la oru beach mattum kedaiyadhu, appo nariya beach irukku artham. Okay, your children listen. Sri Lanka has many beautiful beaches. Many beautiful beaches. Next, they set up their chairs and towels. They set up their chairs and towels. Okay, yeah, children, look at the picture. Yeah, in the beach, some arrangement. Okay, yeah, children, there is the one dining table and around the chairs, sitting chairs, and Tia and Priya has towel in her hand. Okay, next, there is big umbrella is here. Next, they are ready to get into the water. They are ready to get into. Into means உள்ள தண்ணிக்குள்ள குதிக்கிறதுக்கு ரெடியா இருக்காங்க. Okay. They are ready to get into the water. Next. Just then, they see strong waves coming. Just then, they see strong waves coming. Okay. பெரிய அலை வருது. அந்த அலைய பார்த்து தியாவும் பிரியாவும் என்ன ஆயிட்டாங்க? பயந்துட்டாங்க. Okay. Next. Priya looks at the sky. Priya looks at the sky. She sees big grey clouds. She sees big grey clouds. What do you think will happen next? Yeah, children, you guess the answer. What will happen next? என்ன நடக்க போகுது அடுத்து? Yeah, very dark big grey clouds. அப்ப என்ன வரும் அடுத்து? Definitely the rain will come. Definitely the rain will come. Okay. Next. Okay, yeah, children, did you like this story? Yeah, very good. Next, we will learn some vocabulary words from the story. Okay. Now, the first vocabulary word is welcome. Welcome means what? To greet. வர்றவங்கள நம்ம என்ன பண்றது? Welcome பண்றது. வரவேற்கிறது. Okay. Yeah, children, in Sri Lanka country people, welcome to Kohomade. Okay, the greet word is Kohomade. Okay, yeah, children, listen. Welcome. My first vocabulary word is welcome. Very good. The next vocabulary word is beach. Beach. What is the next vocabulary word? Beach. Very good. The next word is exacted. Say all of you. Exacted. The next vocabulary word is towel. What is the next vocabulary word? Towel. The next vocabulary word is waves. Say all of you, what is the next vocabulary word? Waves. Next, the last vocabulary word is grey clouds. Say all of you, grey clouds. Very good, children. Yeah, once again I repeat all vocabulary words. Welcome. Welcome. The next word is beach. The next word is beach. The another word is exacted. Say all of you, exacted. The next word is towel. Say all of you, towel. The another word is waves. Waves. The last vocabulary word is grey clouds. Say all of you, grey clouds. Very good, children. Yeah, children, now in our grammar section, now we will making predictions. We will make prediction. Okay. Students, now take your workbook. Take your workbook, page number 97, worksheet number 15. 15, question number 2. Yeah, children, take your workbook, page number 97, worksheet number 15, question number 2. Making predictions. Okay, yeah, children, all of you take your workbook. Take soon. Yeah, students, now I will give the time for 5 seconds. Quickly, students, take your workbook. Page number 97. Your time start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good, children. Making predictions. Say all of you, making prediction. Question number 2. Tick the sentence that says what will happen next in the picture. Okay, yeah, children, look at the picture. There are 2 images here. The first one is a big tree. There is a big tree. Okay, yeah, children, one man take the axe with his hand. Okay, yeah, children, he will ready for cut the tree. Okay, yeah, students, now the 2 options given here. He will water the tree. Yeah, children, look at the picture. He will water the tree. அவ தண்ணி ஊத்த போறாரா அவர் வந்து அந்த மரத்துக்கு? No. The next one is he will cut the tree. He will cut the tree. Yeah, children, which one is the correct answer? Yeah, very good. He will cut the tree. Okay, yeah, children, guess it. Guess பண்ணுங்க. Yeah, children, he will water the tree or he will cut the tree. Which one is the correct answer? Yeah, very good. The second one answer is he will cut the tree is the correct answer. Okay, next question number 2b. Look at the picture. There is a nest. Yeah, inside of the nest there are two birds. Okay, little birds is here. Okay, the mother bird is take so go and search the food and take something. Okay, yeah, children, listen. The birds will fly. The birds will fly. Yeah, this is the first one option. The another one option is the birds will eat the food. The birds will eat the food. Yeah, look at the image. Yeah, which one is the correct answer, children? Yeah, very good. The birds will eat the food. Well done. Awesome. Next. Yeah, students, now take your workbook page number 98, worksheet number 16. Take soon, children. Take your workbook page number 98, worksheet number 16, holiday in Sri Lanka. Okay, question number 1. Complete the sentence with the correct word from the options given. Complete the sentence with the correct word from the options given. The question 1. Where did Tia and Priya decide to go? Yeah, children, listen the question carefully. Where did Tia and Priya decide to go? What is the answer? Let me listen. Tia and Priya decided to go to dash, China or Colombo. Which one is the correct answer? Yeah, children, did you remember the story? Tia and Priya decide to go to Colombo. Very good. Yeah, children. Not a China. Colombo. Colombo is the correct answer. Yeah, children, take your pencil. Write the correct answer with the correct spelling. Okay. Very good, children. Next, question number 2. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. Yeah, students, listen. How did the people welcome Tia and Priya? Yeah, in Sri Lanka, how did the people welcome Tia and Priya? Yeah, the two answer is given. They say namaste. The another one answer is they say kohomade. Yeah, children, which one is the correct answer? Yeah, children, please remember the story. Remember the story, all of you. Yeah, I will give the time for 5 seconds. Quickly, remember the story. Yeah, in Sri Lanka, the people welcome Tia and Priya, say namaste or kohomade. Very good. Yeah, the correct answer is they say kohomade. They say kohomade. Very good, children. Good. Next. The question number 3. Answer the question in your own words. Okay. What would you do at a beach? Okay, yeah, children, listen. What would you do at a beach? Yeah, children, listen. இப்போ நீங்க வந்து உங்க மம்மி டாடி உங்களை ஒரு டூருக்கு கூட்டிட்டு போறாங்க. அது வந்து பீச் இருக்க ஊரா பார்த்து கூட்டிட்டு போறாங்க. ஓகே, அந்த நீங்க போற டூர்ல பீச் இருக்கு, அந்த ஏரியால பீச் இருக்கு. அப்ப பீச்ல போனோட்டி நீங்க என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? What would you do? என்ன செய்வீங்க பீச்ல போன உடனே? You are very excited. ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியா இருப்பீங்க, சந்தோஷமா இருப்பீங்க. உங்க மம்மி டாடி கையை பிடிச்சிட்டு என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? மெதுவா அந்த பீச்ல போய் அந்த தண்ணி வாட்டர்ல போய் என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? காலை நனைக்கணும்னு ஆசைப்படுவீங்க. அடுத்து என்ன கொஞ்சம் பேர் என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? கீழே உட்காந்து அந்த மண்ணெல்லாம் பறிச்சு வீடு கட்டணும் அந்த மாதிரிலாம் நினைப்பீங்க. நினைப்பீங்களா இல்லையா? Your children, this is your choice. This is your wish. Okay, your students should write the Your children, listen. Specific action they will do at the beach. Okay, below is a sample response. Okay, மிஸ்ஸுக்கு பிடிச்சத நான் எழுதிருக்கேன். Yeah children, this is your wish. Okay, this is your opinion. Okay, what would you do at a beach? Beachல போனா நீங்க என்ன பண்ணுவீங்களோ அது உங்களோட விருப்பத்துக்கு நீங்க எழுதிக்கலாம். Okay, yeah students, listen. The sample response is, I would play with the waves at the beach. Okay, yeah children, this is my opinion. This is my opinion. I would play with the waves at the beach. Okay, next. The fourth question. Read the underlined word and circle its meaning. Okay, yeah children, question number 4a. Tia and Priya decide to go to Colombo. Yeah children, in the sentence, which one is the underlined word? Decide. Yeah children, what is the meaning of decide? Decide means to plan. To plan. Decide பண்றதுனா என்னது? Next week நம்ம எங்க போலாம், ஹாலிடேஸ்க்கு எங்க போலாம், அந்த மாதிரி டிசைட் பண்ண முன்கூட்டியே நம்ம என்ன பண்ணி வைக்கிறது? Plan பண்ணி வைக்கிறது. Okay, decide means to plan. To plan. Very good. Next, question number 4b. Just then they see strong waves coming. Okay, yeah children, just then they see. They see means, they means yaar indha edathula? Tia and Priya. Tia and Priya. Yeah children, listen. Just then they see strong waves coming. Okay, yeah children, in the sentence, what is the underlined word? Very good. Strong. Strong is the underlined word. Yeah children, now we will find the meaning of strong. What is the meaning of strong? Yeah, very good. Big and heavy. Big and heavy. Okay, yeah. A huge waves. Yeah, strong waves. Okay, coming. Okay, yeah, students, listen. Strong means big and heavy. Big and heavy. Yeah, children, now take your pencil. Circle the correct answers. Okay, complete the correct answers quickly. Very good. Next. Yes, students, now take your workbook page number 99, worksheet number 17. Worksheet number 17, question number 1. Tick the sentences using capital letters and full stops correctly. Okay, yeah children, there are nearly 6 sentences given. How many sentences is here? Yeah children, there are nearly 6 sentences. Yeah children, now we will tick the correct sentence. We will tick the correct sentence with the capital letter and full stop. Okay, yeah children, now we will find the answer. Yeah, very good. Now I will read the first sentence for you. Question number 1a. One day he went to the garden. One day he went to the garden. Yeah children, listen the sentence carefully. Yeah children, when we will start one sentence, definitely we will put the big letter or capital letter. Yeah children, listen here now. There is no big letter. Okay, what is the first letter? O. Yeah children, here O is a small letter. End of the sentence, it has a full stop. Very good, but there is no big letter. So the sentence is wrong. Very good. Next, question number 1b. We saw many animals. We saw many animals. Yeah children, look at the sentence. There is a big letter and end of the sentence is full stop. Okay, yeah children, very nice. We saw many animals. We saw many animals. Yeah children, there is a big letter is here. Okay, capital letter and full stop also have in this sentence. Okay, this is a correct sentence. Very good children. Next, question number 1c. My father likes to eat fish. My father likes to eat fish. Yeah children, in the sentence, the first letter is small letter. Okay, my. Yeah, my in the word. What is the first letter? M. The M is here, small letter. Okay, so this is wrong answer. Okay, yeah children, there is no full stop in the end of the sentence. My father likes to eat fish. This is wrong sentence. Okay, yeah children, this sentence is not correct. Next, question number 1d. Listen. Mumbai is a beautiful city. Yeah, children, listen properly. The proper noun. Yeah, children, did you remember the proper noun? Yeah, children, listen. This is name of the place. Mumbai is a beautiful city. Yeah, children, what is the first letter of Mumbai? M. Yeah, children, now M is here small letter. Okay, yeah, children, we will put the big letter is correct, but here small letter only here. So the sentence is wrong. Mumbai is a beautiful city. Here full stop is here, but no capital letter. So this sentence is wrong. Next question number 1E. I will go to Delhi next time. I will go to Delhi next time. Yeah, children, I is a small letter. So this sentence is also wrong. Next, in the last sentence, I love to read books. I love to read books. Yeah, very good. In this sentence, I is a big letter. That is end of the sentence has also full stop. So this is a correct sentence. Very good, children. Take your pencil, tick the two sentence only. Very good. Next, question number 2. Rewrite the sentences using capital letters and full stops. Using capital letters and full stop. Yeah, children, here there are 4 sentences here. Okay, yeah, children, now we will rewrite the sentence. Okay, yeah, children, now I will read the first sentence. Question number 2A. What he liked to play football. Yeah, children, listen. But he liked to play football. Okay, yeah, students, now the answer is given, but the sentences start big letter. Okay, B. B is a capital letter, but he liked to play football. End of the sentence is a full stop. Very good. Next, question number 2B. My little sister is scared of monkeys. My little sister is scared of monkeys. Yeah, children, there is a big letter, big M, capital letter M. The end of the sentence has a full stop. This is very good, very correct answer. Next, question number 2C. He has made a big building here. He has made a big building here. Yeah, children, listen. Now we will rewrite the sentence. How to write the sentence? Yeah, children, you put the big letter and end of the sentence full stop. Next, question number 2D. My sister and I play in the park. Yeah, children, listen. First, we start the big letter, my sister and I. Yeah, children, listen carefully. Yeah, in this place, I. I is a person. Okay, yeah, ourselves. Okay, I. My sister and I play in the park. Yeah, end of the sentence, you will put the full stop. Okay, very good, children. Now, I will give the time for 10 seconds. Quickly, children, complete the answers in your worksheet. Okay, your time start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, very good, children. Yeah, now once again, we will recall the today's class. Okay, yeah, children, in our phonics section, we learned about tr and gr blends. Okay, yeah, in our whole word section, we learned about the new whole words and previous whole words. Okay, in our reading comprehension, what is the story? Holiday in Sri Lanka. Very good. In our grammar section, we learned about capital letters. Okay, rewrite the sentence. Okay, very good, children. Have a nice day. Happy learning. Thank you. Bye bye.